So guys, for the first method, try using a display capture source if you're not already. To do that, under sources, you want to click on the plus. Now you want to select display capture and then click on OK. Now you want to select your monitor that you want to record. And then your capture method, I'm just going to keep on automatic and then click on OK again. See if that fixes your problem. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in graphics settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on add desktop app. Now you want to go to this PC and you want to go to your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. We're going to look for OBS. So you're going to check program files first. We're going to scroll down till we find OBS Studio. If it's not here, then you want to check program files x86. So for me, I have it in program files. I'm going to go down and then click on OBS and then click on bin 64-bit. And you should now be seeing the OBS application. There should be a picture of OBS itself next to it, next to the name. So now you want to double click on this and it should appear right here. You want to expand this. And now you want to expand GPU preference. You want to try both these options right here. So you want to select power saving. Then you want to close OBS, open it back up again, see if that works for you. If not, then you want to try high performance, close OBS, open it back up again, see if that works for you. For the next method, once you're on OBS, you want to click on help on the top and then click on check for updates. Make sure that your OBS is fully up to date. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find OBS. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall OBS. After you uninstall OBS, you just want to re-download it again, either from the website or from Steam or Microsoft Store or any of these other options right here. And this should now fix your problem.